have learned about speaking English is that learning and practicing speaking English seriously will lead to success. 3 important things that help me speak better. 1. Imitate the sounds of English conversations. 2. Practice speaking English regularly. It will make us speak more fluently. 3. Submit homework to the teacher to share how our speaking is, and the teacher will help improve our speaking. 3 tips to make me speak more confidently. 1. Pronounce correctly. There are connections, stress, high, low, loud, and soft tones. 2. Practice speaking English often to develop voice skills. 3. Focus on what you are communicating.